Discover how your Enginetech e-commerce order is received, processed, packaged, and shipped from our distribution center. First, your order is printed within moments of being received by our sales representatives. Next, an order categorization specialist sorts each order into special bins. The different bins indicate which shipping method will be used. One bin is for pickup orders, one is for ground orders, and one is for express orders. Once separated, the printed orders are loaded onto specialized carts to begin the order pulling process. Every order undergoes a multi-step quality assurance process, passing through 3 checkpoints along the way. An order puller begins scanning your order and assigns it to a bin within the cart. This bin is where your specific parts will go. This bin moves around the warehouse on the cart to the exact location of your parts to collect them. We are dedicated to ensuring your order is correct the first time, every time. The puller first scans the location of the part in our warehouse, then the part itself, before placing it into your order bin. Once all the parts on your order have been placed inside your order bin, the puller takes your order bin to our shipping area and places it on the shipping line. Here, a member of our shipping team scans the order a third time and verifies that all parts of your order are accounted for and correct. Once the parts have been checked, the shipping specialist begins carefully packing your order. Prior to shipping, your order will pass through one last step. Our order categorization specialist will sort your order and double-check your shipping method. Once sorted, your order is stacked and ready to be shipped. Enginetech believes that each step in our multi-check process is important. Customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. We pride ourselves on our ability to improve and evolve for our customers. Contact us today to learn more about Enginetech e-commerce.